Hey everyone, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Mike Taylor. Thanks for checking out our forecast here at WXYZ.com. We're going to have a bright start to your weekend, but it will be a cold start. Let's take you right to Futurecast, and you'll see our temperatures will begin to drop. Winds calm down, skies will be clear. That will allow temperatures to drop out a little bit. We're going to start the day off into the teens, mid to low teens in pockets. Mainly around Detroit, we'll be in the upper teens, but notice Ann Arbor at 16, Monroe 18, Flint 14, Lapeer 14. We'll have a sunny boost into the afternoon, so that should help us at least to get to around the freezing mark to finish out the day. So I'm thinking highs could actually climb up to around 30. But once we get into Saturday night, clouds begin to increase, and then we'll have another system that's going to push in. This is going to pass primarily to the south. So if you hold your eyes south of I-94 here, this is 94 cutting through Jackson, Ann Arbor, through Westland. You're going to see some snow begin to push in. This will be Sunday afternoon into Sunday evening. Now, this will not be a snowfall situation for everybody, but it is going to be a better chance. I'm thinking mainly south of Detroit or south of that I-94 zone. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This storm here is going to pass to the south, and it's going to be close enough to Michigan where it could bring the best chance for, say, 2 inches or more around that Michigan-Ohio state line. If you're going to be north of that, north of 94, looks like it's going to be about an inch or less. Very low confidence with the track of this system, and of course how far it pivots north will determine how much snow we'll see. But based on the current forecast information, it does appear that the heaviest snow is going to fall primarily south of 94 there. So for tonight, we bottom out to around 17, partly cloudy, some calmer winds eventually. Once we get into your Saturday, that's the brighter day of the two. Temperature around 30 degrees. We stay partly cloudy with some peaks of sun throughout the day, or a decent shot of seeing some sunshine throughout the day. Then clouds increase for Saturday night. Going into your Sunday, there's that chance of snow. Right now, we'll hold it at 30%. Of course, if that storm pivots north, we'll increase that chance. But right now, it does appear that the greatest likelihood will be south of the Detroit area near that Ohio-Michigan state line. President's Day looks okay with a high of 31, and the next system to watch is going to be Wednesday, which brings a chance of seeing some snow and also some rain. And thanks for joining us here at WXYZ.com to get your forecast information. Next planned update will be by Hallie for your Saturday morning.